number 128, and her name is Janea Kerubin Baterna, and she's from Balamban. Wow! Hinawak na yarn. Murag ready na dyan kaya. Next, eto na naman tayo sa ating mga, okay, nilingkuran nga pinadalagan niya.
Ganyan ang mga positioning.
Naikog ko. I love
What's her
your
number?
ears. She's
number 128.
number 128. Hello!
Hi!
Kinsa imong kuyog diri?
Si Mami o si Daddy o si Kuya.
Whole family.
Ubay-ubay.
Sa
Ubay-ubay.
old?
Old. Okay, ready for the question from our
She's very
judge?
poised, no?
Very. Are you ready for the question?
Yes. Oh, ang mami nito ba ko eh? Yes. Are you?
Yes.
Oh, are you in school already?
Yes,
What grade?
big one.
Grade 1. In school, do you have any best friend in school?
Yes, so many classmates.
So many classmates. What's the best friend? What's her name?
Alicia.
Alicia. How do you show your love to Alicia in school?
Because he always play with me.
Mag-play lang sila in school. And she is singing or dancing today?
Maybe
Maybe, di ba siya sure?
I am singing.
Singing, she's singing. But maybe pa, di ba sure?
Yeah.
She's singing. Are you ready? She's ready. Kuya, let's play the music.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a life that I've heard of once. Someday I'll wish upon a star and I'll wake up when the clouds are far behind me. Where trouble smells like lemon drops, way above the cherry tops. That's where you'll find me.
Wow, very good job, Mami. Oy.
Dara si Mami. Dara.
Pakpak, oy. Masilingan.
Mommy, vocal coach, Mommy. I'm sure. Loving
Good
it.
job.
Now
At her
we're
age, no? At her age, ha?